Da, 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 da. Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. My name is Sarah.
I'm Josh.
Josh and me.
And we have
Me.
Yes, Mommy's here.
And we have me.
Okay.
Me.
Welcome back to another Amazon Prime unboxing.
It's a mystery Amazon Prime unboxing.
Welcome me and Mommy and Sarah because Daddy bought it.
You know what's inside?
Or maybe it's just a mystery to me and Sarah.
Yeah.
Cut it open. I
Okay,
think
so
that
guys,
is all
what
what's
is inside?
Everything inside is heavy.
I think it's a
Yes,
baby
it is kind of
Yoda.
heavy.
And there's a little space here.
Oh, Daddy
I
already
think-
told
I
us that's the.
There's another thing.
Oh, Daddy. Oh,
Aside
That's
from
for
the
ears to
let's
use.
open it.
Those are the
Yeah.
earrings.
yes, those are for the ear hooks. The ear hooks for the glasses. Because Super Purple is asking for some. Okay. Please cut it open.
I would close
There's
your
a-
eyes.
Excuse me, Mom. There's a tear here. There's a tear
What
over here.
is this?
Okay.
But there's nothing
A
inside.
monitor desk mount.
Oh,
Yes, these are the ones
I
that
have
Super Purple was
pink.
asking for the other day.
Right.
Okay, we have a monitor desk mount.
Let's put it in a
So
place.
it looks like a desk mount for
Monitor desk
Daddy's desk.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's
it's
so that he
monitor.
can put his
yeah,
the monitor higher.
Wait, I remember yesterday.
It's a monitor desk mount.
Oh yeah, do you remember like earlier they opened like the microphone?
So do you think when Daddy used this, I think Daddy will it will give Daddy more space on his
So,
table.
so yeah, so that Daddy can
and
look up.
and usually Daddy is sitting.
He's usually like this like that to look at his computer. But when he has the monitor, he look up like that.
That hurts.
Yeah.
That hurts. Like
Let's
what
open
I'm like
it. So
this.
let's open it. We don't know.
Sure.
Okay.
No, make me busy. Oh yeah. Stack. Stack up. Oops. Stay away from mommy.
Yeah, my mom is holding us this.
Floor. The floor is lava.
Oh, it's not lava.
The floor is lava.
It's an instruction.
Situation
So it's
over.
heavy. Wow.
Everybody get ready to dance. Dancing all around.
Forms are heavy.
Okay, the
They're
forks are
heavy.
actually no, that's a good thing because it's not gonna tilt over that easily.
Like, woo!
Then it's gonna get back.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no, this is where it's supposed to go. This piece right here is heavier than this piece. Somehow.
No, this is
What's
heavy.
inside?
This is
You read the instructions so you can tell them what are those parts.
Yeah, these are the parts that I don't know what to do with yet. But
Okay.
we'll find out.
We need to build it.
Some assembly required.
Yes.
So
I only
please
did
excuse
this.
us for a moment.
So these are the screws. These are the screws.
What is wrong with these instructions?
There's also
Kind of like a book.
strap.
I mean, book.
Can I help these?
What is that? This is the first page.
I think this is the.
What's this?
Here.
Ah, no, don't put it in there. It might be important.
These are the screws. The.
Actually, no, all of these are important.
Yeah.
Okay, oh.
Let's call Daddy.
Daddy, some assembly required.
I
So can you
can't
please
see.
help us? Okay, so guys, we have the monitor right here. This is our school monitor. It's like a floating monitor.
And I'm mad.
No, why are you mad? No, don't put the screw in the hole.
I didn't.
But it's supposed to be. But
It's
not
for
really.
daddies. We just want them to
We
see
just wanted to
how
show.
it's going to work.
There's a lot. We
So-
didn't use B and A.
Oh, we did.
We did.
We're going to fix it to that on daddy's table.
Yes, we didn't just.
That's why we didn't use all the screws. We just want them to see.
Yeah,
Right? So it's working.
Yeah, so it's working right now. So let's go put it on Daddy's computer.
So
So
guys,
guys, this is the monitor, and for you guys who don't know, Daddy has actually been wanting one of these.
Stands.
Yes, the desk stand. Yes, the monitor mount for a long time now.
But you cannot find a
Yeah, he
cheaper
can't find
price.
he can't find a cheap one, but he found one that's only $15 after the coupons. So yeah, this is it.
If you want it, we can put it on the
Link in the description down below. So guys,
daddy, and it
Yes,
gives
you
daddy a space. Maybe when he put it on his table, he can put it a little bit higher so he can put a laptop underneath.
yes, maybe if Daddy puts it a bit higher, he could put a laptop.
this
His
tall.
laptop is about this tall,
This
and we could make it about that much higher.
And but that can be mine
It's
because
work.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
So guys,
That can be mine because and I don't want it.
alright.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna be putting the link in the description down below if you want to buy it.
And
And
give
if
us a
you,
comment if you
yes,
have
if
it.
you have it, or if you have anything like it. So guys, if you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.